first run. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm gonna have an instructor with me. Or one of the other guys, one of the pros. But got a Mustang up there. Dodge D150, I think a 86. Porsche guys. Hell yeah, brother, like the helmet. So we'll see, dude. I'm excited. Let's go, baby. Ease into it. Ease into it. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can give it a little bit more gas.
Okay. That's like the highest number yet.
High score.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to think. I mean, he'd be a good guy to ride along with. Yeah, Steve in the red Camaro.
Okay.
He's still feeling it out.
Okay.
But yeah, honestly, the best thing I would recommend is go with somebody, get an idea of their pace.
Okay.
Because you can really like keep on the throttle a little bit more. You'll figure it out after a couple of runs. Figuring out like your grip limit and stuff like that.
Okay.
But yeah, that's pretty solid for the first time.
Cool, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Oh yeah, Steve's coming up again here.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you need anything else? Any questions?
No, I just want to make sure I wasn't doing nothing too dumb or.
Yeah.
Cool.
Definitely, it's good to start slow and then work your way up. If you just fucking send it,
yeah. We saw that earlier, so.
Oh yeah.
Saw a good bit of the sending, so. But
yeah, there's people spinning and stuff like that. I was in Chip's car, that red Corolla. I don't know if you saw. He spun in the first corner.
Oh no, I didn't see that. Oh, the first one? Oh no.
First corner.
Oh damn.
They almost. Yeah, it was like right in front of the shed there.
Oh damn! Right there.
Right there.
That's where I punched it to start the last round, and I was cooking. I'm like, oh shit! I need to not give it so much gas, but I didn't. I know not to churn it when I'm hitting the gas, so. Well, you know, not from a dead stop when it's in first, but.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, 80's pretty damn slow. I think Nick ran like a 64, like a high 64. So, but I am like not pushing it, dude. Like, I don't know if I exactly trust like the brakes and the tire, but he said give her more. I got more tire in it than that, so. I'll see if I can beat 80. I set the bar pretty low for the first two runs, but not nervous at all. Just a lot to learn right away, you know. But man, it's been a while since I drove it like hard on those stock springs. But dude, these springs, that thing felt way tighter than I remember. Like, let's fucking see if we can beat an 80. Low bar, but that's what I need. I'm excited though. And then I also realized that I should have got gas before we got here. Filled up on Thursday when we went on a date, and I haven't filled up since. So I might not get that many runs if I run out of gas. So, but maybe on lunch break I can drive up and get some gas. But anyway, second round here. I'm gonna do a new video. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. So this is my third lap. The last one was an 80, and I can only imagine the first one was even slower, so gonna try to beat 80. That's it.
How you feeling?
Awesome.
Hell yeah. Got a couple cones down. It's gonna be a sec.
Oh yeah, no problem. Still could brake there. Ah, 74, 5, a 75. Oh my God, dude. We went from an 80 to a 75.4. What? 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 Yo! Did you see that? What? It's 74. I'm writing that down. It's 74 point something. Okay, so we got one other third gen, that Camaro from last year. That sounded great.
Just so you know, when I mark you, I'm trying to mark the nose of your car between these two cones. Some of you have enough rollout.
Oh, cool. Okay. So am I good here, or should I stop sooner?
You're stop a little bit sooner.
Okay. Okay.
I'll try to.
Yeah. Sorry.
Like stop. You're fine.
Okay.
It's just you're cheating yourself a little bit out of space. It's all good.
Okay. Oh yeah, I get you. Yeah, roll out. Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Shit, buddy. 73. I can smell my brakes even more. Yo, that is sick. Dude, just listen to this truck in front of me. I think it's an 86 D150, a Dodge. This thing is so cool and it sounds so good. I mean, look at at that thing. Oh, yeah, let's pull up so we can really look at it. Look at that. That some bitch roars too. Love the green, dude. Oh, you hear that roaring? You hear that some bitch roaring? Oh. Alright. And he said I gotta stop sooner when he stops me because I'm not giving myself enough rollout. I was cheating myself some rollout. So you want to stop further back because you hit the timing light after some rolling out. Cool. That sounded great. That smells amazing too. Gas, so I was gonna take a breather. Oh, that is awesome. That is so much fun. Yeah, boys, let's go. Hey, woo! She might be slow, but she sounded good, didn't she? Yeah, man. Thanks, bro.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Thanks, dude. I'm gonna take a break. Yeah, baby. And my new buddy's back there. Hey, he rebuilt that. That was
salvage or something?
Salvage, yeah. Wrecked Porsche. He rebuilt that whole damn thing. Had to do all the wire and the airbags, you name it.
Good for him.
Yeah, man. Then his buddy's in the Fiat behind him. Those were. Yeah, this thing is a beast. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
It sounds wonderful.
It sounds perfect. Was it comfortable in here?
Yeah, it's comfy. No, it's comfy.
Also, I was taking too long to stop earlier, so I wasn't giving myself any run out. Yeah, you can start recording now if you want. too much braking there. Not as good, but still damn good.
You mind if I sit in for another one?
Oh, dude, please do. That's such a compliment, dude. Holy shit. Yes, sir.
I wanna give Corey a chance.
Oh yeah, for sure.
He's been having to watch most of the time.
I know, man.
You're getting better at not using the throttle as an on-off switch.
I'm being smoother with it. Yeah, I've been working on that.
Throttling into the turns. Well, I mean, not that you're breaking into it, but it seems like when you on-off switch it, you basically just lose traction.
That's exactly it.
It spins.
That's exactly it.
Slalom, the first slalom felt faster than last time.
Dude, I think I fucked up on that braking. I'm finding out I locked up that front brake.
I think it was just the teeniest bit much. I don't think you fucked up at all.
Oh, really? Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, dude, I was lighting up all four coming into most of those turns. And you saved it too. I mean, you didn't.
Yeah. That's funny that when my tires are cold, I had the fastest lap so far.
Yeah. They're good faster.
Perfect.
I lost it. Hey, that's how you push it to know what where your limit is.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, baby. Woo! I'm actually stoked on that. That means I wasn't driving like a pussy. Hey, that means we did a good job bleeding the brakes.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Here's one I thought I was gonna blow through. Only 4.5 seconds slower than the first one, and I had to come to a dead stop and reverse her. I am so excited. I thought to myself, there's no way I could lock up these brakes. They suck so bad. So that was actually really good. I'm really excited about that.
You know the edge. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like wheeling a bike.
Yeah.
You'll never really unless you go past it, so.
All right, dude. I'm gonna go get Corey.
All right, brother.
Sure he gets a run.
Yeah, dude, please. Awesome. Please make sure he doesn't say no. Don't let him say no.
Yeah, I'll put his head in this sweaty ass fucking bucket.
Yeah, well, fuck it. It's only for that long of a time. Dude, that was wild. Let's say my boy back here. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah, buddy. New friends today. Let's go. Oh, there he is. Yeah, that didn't work out. My man. When we get staged, you can start recording. If you want. that's the one I fucked up.
Yeah, get it. Yep.
My brake light came on, so I need to just go make sure that I got enough fluid in there.
I smell them.
Yeah, I smell them too. I just want to make sure that we're good. I've never seen that one come on. So I just want to go double check that. Dang, I'm not sure, man. That's weird. I don't know. I drove through some. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, we found it. We found the issue. That's brake fluid.
Oh, no.
Something popped off in the back. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Hey, dude. The old technology didn't lie to us. Okay. Well, that sucks. I really wanted to beat a fucking 71 whatever. Oh, I hope I didn't get that all over the fucking track. That would fuck someone up. Yeah. Fuck, man. It's a back brake, so... Huh?
Is the bleeder?
I don't know. I don't really have a way of taking the wheel off. I wasn't exactly planning on doing all that. So, yeah, it is pissing out. Hell yeah, my boy Kevin here. Good to meet you, dude. I was talking about your Porsche back there in the camera, so this video already knows
things.
you.
Bad things.
No, all great things, dude. Well, anyway, Kevin to the rescue with all the tools. We found the leak pissing right out of here. This line is donezo. So, yep, look at that. Bada boom, baby. Look at that. Oh, snapped it. Clean. All right, cool. We don't need any tools. I'm just going to crimp the shit out of that, call her a day. So, sweet. That was awesome. That was so freaking sweet, dude. I've never had so much fun ever in a car. That was amazing. So, thanks again, Kevin. Everyone we met today was really sweet, but dude, thank you for helping me out. You had the tools, and yeah, we ended up pinching that brake line, and knock on wood, everything's okay. The brake light went off, so we got Nick and Corey up front there in the GTI, and just gonna head on back home now and change out this brake line this week probably. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the fun, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright, this is how we got it home. We ended up smashing it down, and that pinched it enough. I was trying to bend her up. I tried doing with some vice grips there, and that just did not work. So, my man Kevin said, let's smash it. I'm like, that's a good idea. So anyway, got that out. We got this out. This is where it broke. So I did not have this. I did not have this bolted to that. Let me make this a little better. I did not have this bolted or even zip tied, so this was flopping around, and that's why I ended up breaking right there. But as you can see, we got brand new line on, you know. So anyway, that's the official end of this video. And thanks for watching.